5, a Tulsa judge says the case against 4 people accused of murder can move forward. Michaela Riddle, Gerald Lowe, Janetta Thomas, Charlita Mack, all accused in the brutal beating death of young Courtney Palmer. Fox 23 investigative reporter Ashley Lincoln was the only reporter in the courtroom today. She's reporting live with the decision still ahead for the prosecution. Ashley.
Well, Clay, because of the violent nature of this case, the state tells me they're considering the death penalty. Assistant District Attorney Isaac Shields tells me they've dotted every I and crossed every T in preparation for what the state calls one of the most disturbing cases.
There's nothing that I've ever seen even close to this case.
Wednesday, a judge said there's more than enough evidence to take this case against Michaela Riddle, Gerald Lowe, Janetta Thomas, and Charlita Mack to trial. All 4 are accused in playing a role in the death of Courtney Palmer. The state says he was tortured for hours in this North Tulsa home before his remains were found in a shallow grave in Muskogee, where the state says he had been burned and desecrated.
We do independently seek additional punishment on other counts based on the things that they did to the victim in an effort to murder him.
The ME's report, the medical examiner's report, in our opinion, is not complete.
Attorney Brian Boheen represents Gerald Lowe. He says he doesn't think this case has enough evidence to take to trial based off what he's calling a broad medical examiner's report.
They're saying that there's dental records, yet we haven't seen the dental records.
The state says because of the nature of this case, they brought in a death penalty review team.
We're definitely going to be staffing this for consideration of the death penalty.
And all of the defense attorneys that I've spoke to in this case tell me that they are preparing for the possibility for the death penalty to be an option. Now, the next hearing will be scheduled for October 30th for their pretrial hearing. Reporting live from downtown, covering news that matters, I'm Ashley Lincoln, Fox 23 News.